Not too long after that picture was taken, my family moved to Fort Wayne. And for the last 25 years, I've called Fort Wayne home.
It's always been easy to call this place home. Nothing's more than 20 minutes away. It's not too big, but it's not too small. Everything that you could ever need is at your fingertips. Now, when it comes to the people who live here, they truly are one of a kind. They welcome you into their lives and help you grow as an individual.
Despite all this, my time in Fort Wayne has come to a bittersweet end. You know, I've tossed around the idea of moving for the last 2 years or so. I figured it was time to stop hypothesizing about things and, you know, start making decisions and making moves. So I'm actually in the process of moving right now. I'm hoping that this new career change and this new change of scenery will help me find what I'm looking for.
I mean, it's not even like I'm going to be that far away anyways. I mean, it's 2 hours away. I'm definitely planning on coming back to visit and see everyone, so don't worry. Some of the things I'm going to miss about Fort Wayne, oh geez. I am going to miss the 6-minute commute to work. Like, the commute from where I'm going to be living to my new job is, I think, roughly 5 times that now. Another thing too is just, definitely not going to miss this traffic on Lima Road every day at 4:30 to 5 p.m. I'm definitely going to miss, it's probably the hardest thing, but I'm definitely going to miss getting lunch with my mom. We tried to do it once a week or once every so often. Another thing I'm going to miss too is downtown, believe it or not. It was just always fun to go down there and explore. You know, I'd take the dog down there on occasion, or sometimes I'd just go down and find something new to do.
After spending a quarter century in one city, I mean, you see a lot, you do a lot, but most importantly, you learn a lot. And one of the things that I learned is that if you're eager for change, if you want to change something about yourself, or if you have a different set of goals that you want to achieve, the only thing that you can do is actually go out and do it. So just as a chapter is about to close in Fort Wayne, a new one for me is going to start in Indianapolis.
The story of a boy who chased the sunset until it chased him. Never quite sure about his placement or where he's been in this pink world or why nothing ever made sense. So every day he journeyed to the mountain to recover his past in order to understand his future.